All right, before getting into more admin work, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to really acknowledge something that AI was really able to help me with. In one of the previous videos, I had messed up my Git branch. Like I said, I was not really that familiar with the source control UI here, and I ended up I detached my branch, and this had some hash number. Wasn't really quite sure how to back out some of the changes in this UI. So then after that happened, I wasn't really able to push up the branch, and I had some detached branch mess that I've never had before. So I wasn't sure how to fix it. I'm out of credits for Claude 3.5 Sonnet, so I had to use the non-premium Cascade Base and basically ask it to help me. I said I need some help with Git. I switched to the admin branch but lost a bunch of updated files when I did so. Can you help me get them back? I believe they were committed to a detached branch. And here are some Git commands that I ran from the command line: git reflog, reflog. I'm not even sure what that is. But if I do that again here, a lot of interesting data in here, and then it showed me how to check out, to name the recovered branch using that hash, check out the admin branch, and then merge it in. Lo and behold, it works. I did not lose any of my changes. But again, this was using the free Cascade Base model. Didn't cost me anything, and it helped me dig out of a hole. So while we're here critiquing every last thing that AI does, it's pretty damn smart. So just want to give a thumbs up here to this Windsurf and their Cascade Base model.